Want to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, your video file must be a vertical video, such as a 9:16 aspect ratio, and be 60 seconds or less. This is the most important part. The video needs to be vertical. After you have ensured that the video is vertical, do the following. You will need to open a web browser on your computer and go to studio.youtube.com, then sign in to your channel. Once you are signed in, click on the Create button, which looks like a camera icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, you will need to select the Upload Videos option to proceed to the next step. You can then select your vertical video file from your computer and drag it into the upload window. Finally, after adding your video details, you can simply click the Publish button to make your short live on YouTube. And that's how you can upload shorts on YouTube from your PC, ensuring your short-form content is correctly published. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.